Hi, my name is Sakshi. I am 20 years old right now and I'm currently studying in the University of Hertfordshire in London. I have stammering or stuttering, as it is said, and it has been there with me my entire life, almost entire life, since I was 8 years old. And stammering is something that will not let you speak out the way you wanna. That means fluently. You might pause in between, or just not able to say words or letters or some syllables, which can be cured when you go to a speech pathologist. This is something that can hinder many things in your life, and what society lacks to understand for people like me who take time to speak. Society does not have time to just pause their work and listen to us in this busy schedule. During my school life, it has been quite hard for me. Each time I stammered or stuttered in front of my fellow classmates. They would start laughing, make fun of me, they would joke about me, which literally made me how I am right now. Usually, if I'll be talkative with the people who I'm comfortable with, on the other hand, I'm very shy with strangers, and I would rather not talk at all, because at that time only a few things will be going in my mind, such as what if I speak and they'll laugh, or they'll not have time to listen, or what if they don't understand. Understanding and communicating is one of the hardest part when you have stuttering. If you want to convey your feelings, you are generally not able to do that the way you would want to, due to the disrupted speaking. Usually your feelings, your emotions are not conveyed, which can affect your mental health at a really high rate. And one of the things with young kids might be one of the hardest things that kids suffer at a very young age is when their family does not support them. Supporting at this point, when you have something that might affect you for a long run. And if you are not able to do that, it just cancels out lots of stuff, such as you stop communicating, you stop expressing yourself, you stop doing the things you would love to, and which will affect the way you are going to shape yourself in the future. One of the most important thing, or the uttermost important thing when you have stammering, is having confidence in yourself. Usually this confidence is affected when others are not being supportive, or mainly when someone will come and just let you know that stammering is a bad thing, or it will hinder your future or affect your future, which is completely not true. My father used to do that, which affected my confidence at a very high rate. I will gain my confidence, and once he'll say that, it'll just go back very low. Right now, I have learned, as I've been mature, that confidence is all I need to have. And at this point, I really don't care what people are going to say. If I would like to convey my stuff, I am going to do that. And whether or not others are going to listen or not, it is not going to affect me anymore. As a person who stutters, I expect from other people to just spare their time to listen to me, to support me, and not say that just cure your stammering, it might affect your future, which has never been the case. And having therapy and encouraging others to do therapy is the best support you can give, rather than just saying negative things about them. And for those who stutter like me, no matter what, do not lose your confidence in yourself. Always believe in yourself. No matter what others might say, you can do anything, you can achieve anything, even if you are going to stutter. I know someone who is 33 years old and he still stutters, and he is having a great business, a life, a wife, and 2 small kids. So no matter what, just keep on having faith. Confidence and belief in yourself will make you achieve anything. Do not stop being who you are, or stop loving yourself due to this. This is not a disease, it is curable, and no matter what, nothing is impossible.